Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Now on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create ebook mockups in seconds with this free tool. I know you're familiar with FreePik. I have a video about this one, so please check it out. Now once you're here, you're gonna see this new feature called Mockup Generator. So if you click on this one, you should see the next website that I'm gonna go through, and I'll see you once inside. So this is gonna be FreePik again, but under it we're gonna have Mockup Generator. As you can see, we have a shirt here or a t-shirt. You can choose different designs now, as you see here. And under it, you're gonna have a lot of choices. But before we get into it, let's talk about the pricing. So for the pricing, specifically for individuals, you're gonna have a free trial and 10 uses per day. Basically 10 downloads per day, 10 image generation or 20 image per day generations, limited sketch, 2 per day for AI image upscales, and so much more. Versus the premium of, I think this is gonna be €9 per month. Take note, it's not dollars, it's gonna be euro and not USD. Moving over, just a disclaimer, once I try this one, even though I already did 10 per day, I can still generate some more or download some more mockups with no watermark. So take that as you will, take it as a grain of salt, and then do it as you see fit. Now I'll see you back inside the mockup generator. Of course, once you're back here, scroll down a little bit, you're gonna have apparel, devices, print or the hard book cover, and packaging. Under it, you're gonna have apparels, you got hoodies, hat, and sports. Especially for the shoes, quite awesome, right? And now under it, you're gonna have devices. You have Mac, Digital, Vision Pro, and others. Of course, under it, you're gonna have the one we're looking for, the books, the postcards, the cards, stationery, and signs. I'm gonna go with books here. Just gonna choose one. I think I'm gonna go with this one. So I'm gonna click try the editor right now, and I'll see you once inside. So this is what's gonna be inside the editor itself. On the left side, we have the mockups. So we have different styles to work with. We can even use the two-piece swimsuit right there, a tote bag right here, the frames, the hoodies, and so much more. Even the shoes mockup is right here. But for this video, we're gonna create a book mockup. So to proceed with this one, you need a cover photo. You can have two options here. Either choose the photos here and then choose a specific cover photo you want for your book from the stock images in FreePik. Or you can upload your own photo. For example, if I upload my media right there and I get a design from Canva that I got, it's gonna be this one. Guide to Investing. Simply drag it right there. As you can see right here, this is from Canva, by the way. Now, if you want to adjust it, simply double click on the design. You can choose to fill or fit to the screen. You can even edit the element. For example, if I click on edit the element right there, I can make sure I change the filter, change it to a different color, colorway, something like that. And of course, the mask is right here. But I strongly suggest that don't touch the mask. It will ruin the design. So if your design is not fitting properly, you can adjust it to your liking. You're gonna see the margins right there, and then you can expand it a little bit more to properly fit it to the screen. Now, currently it's finished now. Basically that's it. And you can click on Save Changes right there, and you can download it easy as pie. Now for example, you don't have an idea on how to proceed with this one. You don't have a design. Let's move over with Canva to work with it. So welcome back to the video. Right now, this is gonna be the landing page of Canva, right? Now on the search tab right there, just simply type in ebook cover. Click on enter. You're gonna have a lot of options here, especially this one's right here. You can create your own design if you see fit, create a blank ebook cover, or get some inspirations here, or rather templates. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Pretty awesome, right? And now, just a disclaimer, you'll see this logo wherein it says Edu or even a crown sometimes. That means that is a Canva Pro subscription only. Now, I only have Canva Pro as of now, but there are things here or choices that they don't have that logo, which means it's freely to use for free trials. Now, speaking of, I think I'm gonna go with this one. So once you're here, you can download it as you see fit now or just edit some stuff here. For example, I'm gonna go with sample keto diet. I'm gonna name this one sample name. And for example, I'm satisfied with what I have. I'm gonna simply click on download right there. Make sure this is PNG, click on download, like so. And I'll see you back on the mockup generator from earlier. So welcome back to our mockup editor. Let me just remove this one or remove the content. Add an image. I'm gonna choose the one we have or we got from Canva. And I'm gonna use it right here. Just wait for it to load up. Just a little bit more and I'll see you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. Right now we have the new cover we had from Canva. And now if I click on it, of course, I'm gonna make sure it's fit or fill. Like that. And now I'm satisfied with this one. I'm not gonna change anything now. Now for example, I'm good with it. I can simply click on download. And now take note about this one. For the PNG, you can make sure you have the highest quality. As you can see right there, you have 5000 by 3333 pixels. For JPEG, you can choose also, but for PNG, of course, click on download. And you're gonna have this one with no problem at all. You can use it for your product selling, for your Pinterest, or even your eBay, or even your Shopify. Now you're gonna print this one with Printify and so much more. And that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.